The night before Jesus died, as he wrestled with what he knew the next day would bring, he said to some of his friends, he said, "My heart is overwhelmed with sorrow, even to the point of death." It's an amazing statement. The God of the universe, the creator of all things, saying he is overwhelmed with sorrow to the point of death. If you've ever experienced deep depression, if you've ever thought about suicide, there is no depth of agony or helplessness that you can experience in this life that Jesus doesn't understand. The loving parent is not the one who never allows suffering in a child's life. The loving parent is the one who is willing to suffer alongside their children. The loving parent is the one who is willing to make a personal sacrifice, to do whatever it takes to see their children through suffering. Ironically, I think it may be the famous atheist Friedrich Nietzsche who says it best. He said, "The gods justified human life by living it themselves, the only satisfactory response to the problem of suffering ever invented." Nietzsche is actually writing of the ancient Greeks here, and he doesn't seem to make the connection to Christianity. But I think that the connection is clear. At the cross, we see the absolute uniqueness of the Christian response to suffering, because only in Jesus do we find a God who is loving enough to come and suffering beside us, to make sure that we never suffer alone.